since it's Sunday, I decided to cook for the fam. Likayo, join me and let's enjoy making baked scallops. Here's what we need: butter, cheese, honey, chili powder, basil leaves, garlic, and shallots. Pause on this part if you want to save the recipe. So first of all, you should preheat your oven to 175 degrees, and then you can proceed finely mincing garlic and shallots. Now if you're not a fan of onions or shallots, you can totally use onion powder, or really take that out of the recipe since it's optional. Still depends on your preference. Now on this part, you combine all the ingredients, and if you check other videos, they put in parsley. However, due to quarantine and shortage of ingredients, I only have basil leaves. So you can put on the butter garlic mixture on top of the scallop, and right after that you can add in the cheese. Now I also highly recommend Eden melt cheese or any other brand of your preference, so that you can have this melted cheese on top. However, if you would like, you can also combine the cheese. Like on this part, the Eden did not melt, so I tried to make one combining the cheese on the butter mixture. Okay, so we put that in the oven for 15 minutes. Please to watch over so that we can still achieve the juicy scallop. There you go. A little taste test. Sarap.
Wow!
Thank you very much for watching my tutorial, and I hope you learned a lot from me. That's it.